Introducing Splash Pro, the ultimate in durability and performance. Designed for the demanding customer, its style and design match your lifestyle. Ultimate durability and ultimate performance makes Splash Pro a real pro among water heaters. The following corrosion-resistant features make Splash Pro the new benchmark in durability. Its unique glass-lined double ceramic heating element ensures low-scale formation in hard water areas. This increases the element life in hard water areas. It has a porcelain enamel glass-lined tank, 30% larger anode for best-in-class durability. It has double-side enameling to prevent corrosion. The full-face gasket has more coverage area for better protection of the flange and tank. Pro has zinc-nickel coated fasteners that last 5 times longer. The following features help Splash Pro offer ultimate performance. The ceramic element gives 10% more hot water output to the user. Pro's 30mm thick puff insulation ensures longer heat retention and more energy savings. For more convenience, Splash Pro sports color-changing LED strips. It is also Wi-Fi enabled and can be operated from your phone. With such professional features, Splash Pro offers a 7-year warranty on the inner tank, 4 years on the heating element, and 2 years on the product. It comes to you from Venus, professionals in water heaters. Bring home a Venus Splash Pro today. Live the pro life.